Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change camera angle in FC26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to the gear icon which you can see at top left hand corner. Once that open, go to settings and just right here we're gonna select the option game settings. Now here by using the RB key or R1 key you can go to the section called camera, and just right here you're gonna see all the camera angles which you have set it here, which you can change. Like let's say you want to change a single player camera angle, you can change that from here. You can set this on legacy, tactical, as well as tele broadcast. Many people prefer this one, but it's up to you. Whichever you like, you can choose that from here. Just like the single player camera, you can change the multiplayer camera. So this is the camera angle which gonna be used for all local multiplayer, which is like 11 versus 11 matches. Then you can change the camera angle for player career camera. You can set the camera angle for clubs. You can set the camera angle for rush, as well as if you're playing as a goalkeeper, there is a camera angle for goalkeeper as well. Then just under that we have the option camera customization. If you want to set this on default or custom, you can do that from here. Like by using this option you can increase or decrease the height, decrease or increase the zoom, as well as you can change the camera angle, zoom, camera speed, camera swing. All the settings can be managed from here, but I would personally prefer this on default. To save this, just hit Y on Xbox and triangle on PlayStation and just select this on yes. And yeah, that's it. At this point you have successfully changed the camera angle in FC26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.